how to fix Limbus company app not working. So if you want to fix your Limbus company app not working, or if it keeps crashing, and then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store. From here, you need to go with search and search for Limbus company application. After opening the application, like after searching or after tapping on the application, you need to go with the update button, which will be on the right side. After tapping on update, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back and then open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down a bit, go with apps. From apps, you need to go with manage apps, and here you need to go and search for the application, which is Limbus. Once you find, you need to tap on the application. Then you need to go with clear all data, which will be on the bottom, and tap on OK. After clearing your data, you need to go back and then go with your permissions and make sure that you've allowed all of the permissions. After allowing your permissions, you can go and restart your device and your problem won't be fixed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.